Okay, it's October 1st, and as you can see, my car is started and the navigation default screen has come on. This is a known Ford problem. It happens, at least once a week, if not more. So if I turned on the car and was driving and wanted to turn on the nav, I couldn't because the nav has defaulted. Anyone buying a new Ford right now, an Explorer or a Focus or even I believe it's the Edge, this can happen to them. Is Ford telling new buyers this? No. They say there will be a software release maybe December or January to fix this. But in the meantime, there are people who are buying cars and they're going to get this error, and Ford's going to say, oh yeah, we know about it, but they won't tell anybody. I've got documentation proving that they know about it. So anyone buying a car beyond September 29th, I'm here to tell you that Ford knew about the problem and they're not fixing it right now, and they're not telling customers. Also, I'm going to show you that I have to literally turn off the car and turn it back on to make this screen go away, and we'll see if this even works. So I'm going to turn off the car. It's now off. Let's see if this screen even goes away, because this is yet another problem. I'm going to open the door and close it as if I was getting out of the car. And right now, this screen, okay, it's going off. All right, so let's turn the car back on and see what happens. Okay, it is looking like, nope, SD navigation default is right there. So if that doesn't fix itself, I'm now actually going to have to take this in because it's not fixing itself, which means if I want to use my navigation right now, if I click on that, am totally screwed because my navigation is completely useless right now. So I'm going to have to literally go into the car and pop out the nav card, which is in my glove compartment way down below, and see what happens. So I am now going to do that. You probably can't see this, but I'm going to undo my belt here. And if you can't see it, but there's a card down here that I'm going to pop out and pop back in. Maybe. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens now when I turn the car off. Okay. Let's turn it looks like it might have turned this off. Okay, here goes the screen. This is what I go through on a regular basis just to get this car to work. Okay, let's turn the car back on and see if popping out the navigation card worked. Here comes the screen. Okay, navigation system is loading now. Loading. You can see how long this nav system takes to load. Okay, notice navigation card, now it's enabled. So all routes for turn-by-turn navigation will be canceled. So if I was in the middle of a route, I would lose it and I'd have to pull over and start all over again. So I'm going to hit OK. And it'll look like probably things are back to normal, but let's see. Oh, that's not even working now. Okay. Oh, yes it is. Okay. So as you can see, we're back to normal, but after all of that, I finally have the car back to normal. And it'll do this again, totally randomly, and hopefully I won't be in the middle of trying to get somewhere, because if I am, it'll just totally throw me off, and I'll have to literally pull over and start the process of getting the navigation system working all over again. Again, it's October 1st. I'm sure I'll be doing this many more times. Signing off. Bye.